Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the pound yen, I have my Fibonacci extension on here, and we are, as you can see, we are at the 100% Fibonacci extension. Definitely an area to keep an eye out for, especially with all these other highs up here. Definitely an area of resistance. If it goes down, if it breaks structure, that's what's going to turn me bearish. It doesn't have to stop here, especially looking at the weekly and monthly time frame. It may end up pushing up, making higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So I would prefer to allow the market to either continue to make higher highs, higher lows while I'm looking for longs on shorter time frames, or I would prefer to allow the market to show me that it's going down by breaking structure, then start looking for shorts after the break of structure. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think that really our most recent structure right now is actually this one because this is not a new high yet. If it does make a new high, you can move your structure level up to here. But long story short, I am definitely looking for longs unless it goes down and gives me a very significant break of structure. Then I will start looking for shorts. Otherwise, like I said, I mean, there's really nothing stopping this thing from making higher highs, higher lows. So why not enjoy the trend and just keep on looking for pullback entries every single chance we get? So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.